Hi, I'm Tom Lonker, and I'd like to tell you a bit about a member event I'll be presenting in May. And the event is about embodiment, that is, how our postures, our facial expressions, and other aspects of our body language can influence how we feel and how we attune to others in the situations that matter. I've had a long interest in this area, most recently through my postgrad studies with King's College London, where I examined acceptance-based interventions for public speaking anxiety, a very common but too often hidden condition affecting many adults. Coupled with my experiences as an executive coach, and before that as a consultant delivering presentations to boardrooms over more than 2 decades, and also as a performer on stage for many long forgotten bands over the last 3 decades, I've put together some ideas that will blend research-backed evidence with practical frameworks. Research has shown that it takes only 100 milliseconds for observers looking at facial expressions to form a strong and firm judgment on whether we are likable, trustworthy, and competent. What factors do we and our clients need to be mindful of to help make sure that we make the best impression for these important in-the-moment situations? Can one be authentic while trying to make such a good impression? And can the widely embraced but more recently controversial technique of power posing help us stay on track in a way that actually serves us? And as coaches, what other research domains can help us leverage the power of embodiment in our work for the benefit of ourselves and our clients? Join me, Tom Lonker, for this IECL member event to learn more about the answers to these questions.